Welcome back. Good morning, students. We are studying letter writing, that is part of composition of our grammar. And I told you last class, letters is an important means of communication through which we share our ideas, thoughts, give information, share information, or write events to others, our relatives or officials. I told you that letters are of two kinds, formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters is for institutions or officials, but informal letters is for relative, for mother, uncle, friend, our other relatives. We write informal letter. And I told you that how to write a formal letter last class, and today I will tell you how to write informal letter. First of all, we start the headings. In headings, we write sender address. सेंडर एड्रेस अगर मैं कहीं लिख रहा हूँ, किसी फ्रेंड को लिख रहा हूँ, तो मैं अपना एड्रेस पहले वहाँ लिखूँगा. आफ्टर एड्रेस राइट डेट एंड डेट विल बी written in many format. Actually we start, मैं बताऊंगा जब ये लेटर मैं तुम्हें बताने जाऊंगा कैसे लिखा जाता है, उसमें बताऊंगा कैसे उसका फॉर्मेट होता है. जैसे यहाँ पर हम 20th लिख रहे हैं, 20th of July 2020 और सिंपली 27/2020. We use both of method, both the way to write date, and after date we use salutation. First heading, second date, third salutation. This letter is for relative, so we start dear. और फादर को लिख रहे हैं तो डियर फादर, मदर के डियर मदर, डियर ब्रदर, डियर फ्रेंड. इट इज सैल्यूटेशन. एंड आफ्टर दैट द कंटेंट और द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें देना है या जो घटना हमें बताना है या जो थॉट या आइडिया शेयर करना है, वह बॉडी के अंतर्गत उसको हम लिखते हैं. और लास्ट में जो एंडिंग लाइन होता है उसको हम अंत करते हैं योर लविंग. अगर फादर को लिख रहे हैं तो योर लविंग सन, मदर को लिख रहे हैं तो योर लविंग सन, योर लविंगली, सिर्फ लविंगली भी हो सकता है. और फ्रेंड को लिख रहे हैं तो योर लविंग फ्रेंड. आई गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल or a letter, and you should take down in your copy. And how to write this informal letter. Suppose I write my friend and I invited him to come and share with me in my birthday party, but some circumstances he did not come. But I want to share my happiness and the event of this birthday party with him. It is the question, and I write the letter and you should take in your copy. First of all, the headings, we start the headings, address. It is my address, A4E, Anand Building, Street number 4, Roger Park, New Delhi, 2. And after the address, we write date 21st of July 2020. After that, I write to my friend, so we start, dear friend, dear friend, and this is the heading, a date, salutation, and now the body of letter. I write here. You should take down in your copy. Here we use dear friend Harshit. We should use name here also. I Here, in short, the body of the letter, I really wished you on my 17th birthday party. It was a special party for me. My uncle, who is general in military, came in my party and composed a poem for me. We enjoyed singing, dancing, etc. Many friends and relatives came in the party. I cut a huge size of cake and distributed to all. I wish you had attended the party. It is the body of the letter, and at last, your loving friend Mohit. And last, your loving friend Mohit. This is the letter, that is informal letter, and I give you a question to write another informal letter in next class. Here the question. Here the question, and you should write the answer in your notebook. Question is, you have just returned after spending a week with your friend in Simla. Write a letter to your brother describing the happening of the journey, and I will check it in another class. Thanks.